This morning, the city of Atlanta has confirmed one of its vehicles ran over a man at a homeless encampment in downtown Atlanta, and it's raising some questions about how the city treats unhoused people. 11 Alive's Karis Belger is live on Old Wheat Street where this happened. Karis, what are we learning about the kind of vehicle this was and what happened?
Well, witnesses are saying it was a bulldozer, but the city has not confirmed what kind of vehicle was used. And just to give you an idea of where all of this happened, we're right across the street from Ebenezer Baptist Church. Atlanta police confirmed to 11 Alive they received a call around noon about an injured person at this location. They say that person was taken to the hospital and pronounced dead. Now, we do not know the name of the victim yet. However, the Fulton County medical examiner did confirm it was a male. He was a male in his mid-40s. The city confirmed it was their vehicle that was involved, but did not give many more details other than to say they were cooperating with police. And witnesses tell 11 Alive the vehicles arrived and began moving things from the area, but no one checked to see if all of the tents were in fact empty. Now, people who live nearby and who know the victim say all of this could have been avoided.
But you feel like, say, we're not acceptable in society. You dawn on us that you just took a life, and it don't matter. They going home. Nobody's out here from the police department. Nobody is out here from anywhere to talk about what happened.
Now, the Department of Public Works did release a statement. It said in part the city does routinely clear out homeless encampments that are a public health or safety risk. I also want to add there is a vigil planned for later today at 4 p.m. for the victim. We do understand his family will be in attendance. In the Old Fourth Ward, I'm Karis Belger, 11 Alive News.
Karis, thank you.